Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Roblox on your mobile phone. First you do is open up your Play Store using an Android phone, and next on the bottom you click on the search icon. The top, click on the search bar and type in Roblox, and you can see the Roblox app here. This is the Roblox app. So you see Roblox. If you open it, you notice that it lets you create, share experiences and be anything you can imagine. So we have millions of words, be anything you can imagine, chat with friends and have fun. Number 1, top grossing in adventure, simulation, sandbox, casual crafting, cooperative, multiplayer, single player, stylized. So you can see so many ways you can enjoy Roblox, and you can see people's reviews. One of the best games I've ever played. It's great to know that there's a game out there. It's awesome. Many people love the game. So once you get into it, so next thing you do is tap on install. You wait a few minutes to install. It automatically downloads, and then after the download it's going to install. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this one, which you put up every day. Thanks for watching.